As a passionate crafter, I was on the lookout for an embroidery machine that could keep up with my creativity, and that's when I discovered the Brother Embroidery Machine SE2000. This machine has become my trusted companion, and I can't wait to share my experiences with it. From its user-friendly features to its endless possibilities, this machine has transformed the way I approach sewing and embroidery. One of the first things I fell in love with is the large color touchscreen display. It's a vibrant 3.7-inch LCD screen that makes navigating through menus a breeze. I can easily adjust settings, browse through designs, and even preview my projects in stunning detail. The intuitive interface is perfect for both beginners like I was and seasoned pros. Speaking of designs, the SE2000 comes with an extensive built-in library of over 138 designs. This collection includes everything from floral motifs to seasonal patterns, making it easy to find something for every occasion. I especially appreciate the 11 different fonts for lettering. Personalizing items has never been so easy and fun. Another standout feature is the large embroidery area of 5 by 7 inches. This spacious field allows me to tackle larger projects without the hassle of rehooping. I've worked on everything from tote bags to jackets, and the ability to create intricate designs without interruption is a game changer. The USB connectivity is another feature that has expanded my creative horizons. I can easily import additional designs from my computer or a USB stick, opening up a world of possibilities. If I find a design I love online, I can have it on my machine in minutes. Seamless functionality. The automatic needle threader is a lifesaver. Threading the needle used to be a tedious task for me, but with this feature, I simply follow the guides, and I'm ready to sew. I can't tell you how much time and frustration it has saved me. Additionally, the advanced needle position control allows me to pivot and turn easily while sewing. This precision is especially helpful when I'm working on detailed designs. Plus, the speed control lets me adjust the sewing pace, making it easier to work at a speed that feels comfortable for me. What truly sets the SE2000 apart are the built-in tutorials. These helpful guides walked me through various functions and techniques, making my learning curve smooth. I felt supported every step of the way, which was invaluable as I was getting started. Dual functionality. One of the reasons I chose the SE2000 is its combination of sewing and embroidery functions. I can switch between tasks seamlessly, which is perfect for all the projects I have in mind. Whether I'm stitching up a quick hem or working on an elaborate embroidery design, this machine handles it all with ease. The adjustable thread tension is another fantastic feature that ensures perfect stitches, no matter the fabric I'm using. I love experimenting with different materials, and knowing I can adjust the tension for each one gives me peace of mind. Creativity unleashed. The embroidery editing capabilities have truly sparked my creativity. I can edit designs directly on the screen, resizing, rotating, or even combining different designs to create something unique. It's so satisfying to see my vision come to life, and the SE2000 makes it easy to do just that. For those who love monogramming, the SE2000 is a dream come true. I've personalized countless items, everything from towels to baby gifts, and the built-in fonts make it quick and effortless. Another feature I can't live without is the automatic thread cutting. At the end of each stitching line, the machine cuts the top and bobbin threads for me, leaving me with a clean finish and saving me precious time. Owning the Brother SE2000 has truly enhanced my crafting experience. Its ease of use, creative options, and quality results make it an essential part of my sewing room. Here's why I think you should consider this machine. User-friendly. The touchscreen interface and built-in tutorials make it perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. Creative freedom. With a vast library of designs and the ability to import new ones, I can create personalized items effortlessly. Professional results. The precision and adjustable settings ensure that every project turns out beautifully. The Brother Embroidery Machine SE2000 has not only enhanced my crafting experience, but has also become a source of inspiration. With its blend of advanced features and user-friendly design, I can explore my creativity without limitations. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to add a personal touch to your projects or a seasoned pro aiming to take your embroidery to the next level, this machine is sure to elevate your crafting game. If you're ready to embark on your own creative journey, I wholeheartedly recommend the Brother SE2000. It's more than just a machine. It's a gateway to endless possibilities and a tool that can help you turn your ideas into reality. Embrace your creativity and let the SE2000 help you bring your visions to life and unlock your creativity like never before.